Hey, it's Matt here. We have this 88 Porsche cab ending today. I just want to do a quick little walk around and talk about it. This car was sold new at Camelback Porsche here in Scottsdale. It went to actually a very prominent collector here in town who's got a pretty impressive collection, I've been told. Went to the second owner in 1993 and stayed with him till 2023 when my client got the car. But the car is absolutely studly. It's clean as can be. It's actual miles and really nice car. It's got brand new tires on it, correct Fuchs alloy wheels. Come around the front of it, you can see there's no rock chips or damage on it, except for I guess a little one right there. Coming around this side, the headlights all look good. Like I said, the wheels are beautiful condition. 16-inch Fuchs. The top, I believe, is either it's the original or it's brand new because it looks absolutely stunning. There's no dry rot in any of the threads. The rear window looks really nice. It's a fabulous top. These last 88, 89 cars, Porsche kind of was throwing everything at them to get them out the door. So this has got leather door cards, leather door handles, piping on the seats, power seats front and rear, air conditioning. Air conditioning blows cold in the car. It's got a nice Continental stereo, Momo shift knob, which is aftermarket. A lot of guys did that at the time. Correct steering wheel. The dash is really nice. No cracks or marks in it. These cars also have the era where they had the VIN stickers in all the jams and all the parts. So you can, for anti-theft reasons. Here's this one here. And those are all present on the car. It was always a good way to tell before paint meters and stuff if cars were original parts. There was a question about the tail on this car. Yes, it's a factory tail. You got the Porsche logo here. You got the Porsche logo on the frame. The stickers on the deck lid here, and you can tell it's all correct original hardware. That wasn't ever changed. Engine runs out great. It's great compression. This car is just really as nice a 88 cab as you can find with 43,000 original miles. I mean, bit of a time capsule if you want. The last generation of the G body with the G50 gearbox. This is a perfect example to have an open top cruising 911. Any questions about the car, please hit us up on the contact seller button. If you're interested in 911R selling a car for you, let me know. We're happy to help out. Thank you.